Hello and welcome all together. My name is Mario Besek, and since 20 years I'm working in my private dental office in Zurich in Swiss Dental Center. So before I was working here in my private office, I was the head of the Department of Restorative Dentistry at the University of Zurich, and I'm very glad to be able to share all the knowledge and all the clinical experience with you at the 2nd and the 3rd December in Dubai at CAPP, and we will talk about composite restoration from A to Z. So when I mean from A to Z, I mean really from A to Z. That means composite in posterior and anterior tier without any limits and without any limitations. So it's a 2-day course. On the first day we will talk about posterior teeth, and then the second day we will talk about anterior teeth in lecture 4 hours in the morning and also hands-on in the afternoon. So we will regard restorative materials, operative techniques, and all the problems in handling of composite material. Because we know there are some shortcomings, and we will find out with scientific-based data and tips and tricks how to make the cavity preparations, how to handle adhesive techniques, and how to handle the bonding techniques, for example, total bonding versus selective bonding, and which are the right restoration concepts for small and larger cavities, starting with preparation and beveling, and what's the dilemma by deep cavities. So we will also talk about dental wear and about non-vital teeth direct filled in posterior. And of course, we will touch a little bit the theme of bulk fill. It's a very useful, or it's evolution. And we will talk about the CAPP technology using composite material, because today we are able to make shallow crowns, to use it in endo crowns or also on implants. And on the second day, we will focus on anterior aesthetic, how to have color management and how to make the layering technique, starting up from simple class 3 fillings to malposition correction with direct composite, or closing diastemas, for example. Or what shall we do with discolored non-vital anterior teeth, or shall we use a post, for example? Because we know about the main problems of composite in anterior teeth, with voids in material, stickiness. So in 2011, a direct composite veneering system was developed that helps us to make an aesthetic in anterior teeth like veneering, but it's very less invasive and it's direct, because we use a prefabricated shell in composite that we can characterize. We can use it with the same composite material and will be placed and then characterized to have a very nice smile at the end. And this helps us to solve nearly each problem or every problem in anterior teeth. And we will also have a look at the newer version with very fine particle size to have also a permanent gloss for a longer time. So when we have discussed every problems in the morning, so in the afternoon we will have a very nice model. So then you can prepare, you can bevel, you can make the layering and whatever. So all problems will be done clinically, practically on a model, and I will make all presentations and direct demonstrations, and I will help you to solve all problems with tips and tricks. So I really enjoy to see you at the 2nd and the 3rd December in Dubai.